everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel where we speak life. Speak what you seek until you see what you said. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Debbie and I'm just a Christian woman trying to show her love for Jesus Christ on this platform, as well as encourage you guys to walk closer to the Lord every day. Thanksgiving is around the corner. I'm going down to South Carolina to visit my brothers and my nephew that I haven't seen yet, so I am super excited for that. And Christmas, we're going to stay here, but we are moving. Right now we're stationed at Fort Riley. We both are going to be transitioning out of the military probably next year, February and March. And so because of that, I think for a year we're going to be staying here in Kansas and be praying to God to see what door He has opened for me. I will be applying to PA school next year around April or May, and really I'm asking God to open one door so that it's easy for me to make a decision, because I have created I think really good friendships here in church, outside of church. If it's God's will for my husband and I to stay here, then we'll stay here. But we are moving to the city, Manhattan, Kansas, where Kansas State University is, all the college students, the community. I mean, I love that place so much, and so we found a very nice apartment, thank God, that I cannot wait to move into. I mean, this is our first home that my husband and I got. It's not ours, we rented it. We did paint, if you guys remember that one vlog. It was a red kitchen and like really dark brown paint everywhere else. It was just disgusting. We are so excited to move. God has blessed us, and it's only 3 minutes away from the church, so that's a plus. But because of all that, I've been really just trying to get rid of a bunch of stuff, and we're just gonna have a lot of family visit. We have a lot of things planned, and I know that you guys have been asking for modest lookbooks, modest outfits, fall, winter, how to style, and trust me, I really love doing these videos. It just takes some time for me to gather my thoughts and what would work best and what styles are trending now. And so I don't want to make any excuses. Here I am with another modest lookbook for the holidays. So I know a lot of people are going to be traveling, as I am, and I don't want to be packing a bunch, and I don't want to be packing light either. I will say, a tip that I have for you ladies is that you guys just focus more on your shoes rather than your clothes. Reason being is because shoes can either dress a outfit up or down. You can wear the same one, you can switch jackets. It really just depends. If you're gonna be visiting and seeing friends on different days and you know that you're just gonna be there for a long time, I would recommend this. I've done it before and I absolutely love it, because sometimes I don't have to check a bag in. I just have to, you know, have a carry-on bag. So I'm going to be talking to you guys about 4 different shoes that you can dress up and dress down an outfit. And I have, I believe, 4 or 5 different outfits that I can show you. Now, all these won't work for every single one, but the reason why I'm showing you is so that you guys can get an idea of the outfits that I have to present to you and be like, okay, well, I have something like that, or I think this might work. So the first thing is a good pair of heels. Now this one, I've had these heels for years, okay, and they still have a good heel, and they're like breaking apart over here, but that is okay because they still function. I do have other heels like this, but the reason why I chose this one is because it's my only classic nude one, but I really feel like neutral shoes will help match with multiple outfits. So I always have the classic open toe heel, and then I have flats. You can wear any type of flats, Oxford flats or just regular flats, but the reason why I bought these is because they just give me a little bit more style. It's not too basic, and then I like the gold around here because, again, it's the holidays. It's kind of just the vibe right now. And it's a half flat. I do like just slipping on, easy to go, easy to put on. The third shoe that I have are these ankle boots. You can buy these anywhere on Amazon, on Shein. Like, they're about 20 bucks, I think. Mine, I believe, 5th Avenue. I got it from Ross when I was working there way back when, and they're just really sturdy, really nice. They have not really changed or anything. They look practically new, and I've been having them for like over 5 years, I think. So these will come in handy for y'all. And then if it's cold outside and you guys aren't wanting to wear these open toe shoes, heels or pumps or anything like that, then these can come in handy, just heeled boots. They do have these in heel form, and I'll try to find those to put down in the description. I know I have these two because I got them from Shein. These and these I got from Ross. So I would recommend check your local Ross, especially now that they're getting the seasonal clothes and attire in. You'll probably find something nice and cheap there. So all that being said, let's go ahead and get started. The first outfit I'm wearing is with a long sleeve black shirt, and I just threw on this white vest over it to just give it a chill look. And then I love this suede skirt. I got it from Uptown Cheapskate, and I'm wearing it with ankle boots. This is something that I would wear if I'm just going to a casual outing with my friends. This is a similar outfit, except I just switched the shoes to nude heels, and then I also changed my vest to a black cardigan to make it more of an elegant look. And notice how my hair's up, and it makes it look a little bit better to go out for a classic dinner or even go to a Sunday morning church service. Now, y'all, this is something I would wear with my husband because I think it's a very cute, classic date night look. I love the nude heels with it, but I got this dress from Shein, and it's gorgeous. I'm obsessed. Notice how you can tune down a similar dress that's very elegant by just applying a jacket that's super chill. I like this oversized leather jacket, and then I wore it with these ankle boots because I feel like it gives it a chill vibe that I could wear to almost any event, really. And then you can bring it back up by adding a different cardigan that has a nice elegant look to it. And then I just wore it with these heeled boots because, again, if you're going to a church service, this would be a perfect outfit for you to just go comfortably but also elegantly. Y'all need to check your local Walmart because that's where I got this two-piece dress, knitted dress from, and I absolutely love it. I love the design on it, and I'm wearing it with these half flats because I want it to look a little bit more elegant but then casual where I can wear it anywhere. Now this is the same dress. I just took the cropped cardigan off and transferred it with a regular black cardigan long because if you don't want to be showing, you know, everything that the Lord has given you, you can cover it up. But I'm also wearing it with these nude heels that I feel like would make the outfit stand out a little bit more. This is another date night or girls night outfit that if you're going to a nice restaurant, this is exactly what I would wear. You can't go wrong with some nude heels, so make sure you get some. You just need a really good black cardigan that you can throw on a really nice dress. Now see how this leather jacket can really work with anything either. It doesn't only have to be placed for a outfit that you want to become casual, but also elegant. Just give it a little bit more of a pizzazz, you know? I thought this dress would go nicely with some stockings, and so I paired it with it, and I absolutely love it. I'm wearing it with ankle boots, but you can also wear your heeled boots. I think that would look really nice. But notice how I also wear the leather jacket. So I wore the same stockings and the same type of shoes for this cotton white dress. I love the color of it. It's very casual. If you really wanted to, you can also wear a black long sleeve turtleneck under it. I think that would look really cute. And this is how that outfit would look with the heeled boots. I'm still wearing the stockings. I think that really is classy. And I would personally wear a black tux over it or a very nice dress coat, but I don't have one. So that's just to paint a little picture of how that would look. Y'all, those were all the outfits that I had planned. I hope you guys saw that I didn't really have that many outfits, or per se, I didn't have that many clothing options. I have a decent amount of versatility with these outfits because I was able to dress them up or dress them down with two different cardigans, which were this leather cardigan that's like oversized long, so it's always gonna kind of look pretty chill, and then this nice cardigan with the little buckle on here that has the pockets. So that could really help differentiate between the outfits, and obviously the shoes as well. Shoes and the cardigans, especially now that it's winter or it's fall, you can always layer up. Layers will always do a significance in trying to figure out what type of outfit you want to wear for a certain event. Like this is also a chill top that I would probably throw over any one of these outfits, or at least ones that match, of course. So I really wanted to mention that your hairstyle plays a significant difference in how your outfit looks. You can have a nice up hairdo and curl it and do some nice tricks with bobby pins and everything like that, and your outfit will be brought up because of the hair. Or you can just regular, like me, half clip it with a what are these called, claw clips. Or you can try to take on your entire hair with this type of clip and it still will be chill. I don't think I would be wearing this to church that often. I would just put my hair in a bun with hair ties and bobby pins and stuff like that. So these headbands, hair ties are always going to play a significant role in how you want your outfit to look, formal or informal. Look through your closet and pick those two cardigans, one for a formal event and one for an informal event, and then try it with a dress that you absolutely love, and then try different shoes with it and see how far you can go. But this will really help you guys pack light, because I know y'all will be bringing your straighteners and your curlers and your shampoos and your hairspray and your dry shampoo. All those things need to fit in there, and if you really just don't want to be checking in a bag, then this will do justice. But I hope you guys have a blessed day, and I will be coming out with more videos like this, so you have a good one. Bye!